How to draw Arizona. To draw the state of Arizona, we are going to start off by drawing a line on the right side of our page. Then from the top of that line, we are going to draw a straight line going to the left. Then from the bottom of the straight line going up and down that we drew first, we are going to draw a small straight line going to the left. Awesome job! Then from that line where we left off, we are going to draw a diagonal line going right here. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Now to finish drawing Arizona, we are going to draw a line going right here that is going to be curved and wavy. I will stop after drawing small pieces of this side of Arizona so that you can follow along. This is how to draw Arizona. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, give it a big like below and make sure to subscribe for more step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one. Thanks for drawing with me. See you again next time.
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.